If this is finding you on October 24th, then this is your reading. This is your synchronicity. So, Spirit has a message for you. And this found you for a reason. And I think that if you stayed to the end, you might be shocked at what I had to tell you because it's going to resonate. We have cards falling out here. Two just came out. So, let's tap it. Oh, 3 came out. You guys, are you kidding me right now? Look what came out. The Lovers. Yes, you're asking about someone. Did you just see how this... That kind of went out of focus there for a second. Interesting. To me, I feel like a lot of you you're about to... Oh my gosh, I just got a huge message for everyone seeing this. First of all, I'm hearing that a lot of you guys are going to be attracting in your soulmate. A lot of you guys are putting energy out, whether you realize it or not, okay? So pay attention to your words. Pay attention to what you're asking for, what you're wanting. Be specific, okay? Because you are attracting, you're manifesting this person, and I feel like it feels close to me. Like I keep seeing like 3, so I feel like the 3rd of the month or 3 months is when this person's going to come into your life, or perhaps March, because March is the 3rd month. This is big energy, you guys, and Spirit's making sure that this finds the right group of people. So if you're seeing this, this is for you. Look what came out after that. We have the Ace of Pentacles. What a good card to pull, because aces are about new beginnings. Pentacles are about the material world. This is something this is here to stay. I keep hearing earthbound. It's like you guys are meant to find each other in this lifetime. Like this is not something that's you're not supposed to leave this earth before you find this person. And that likewise for them. I keep seeing emphasis on Virgo. So you could be the Virgo, or perhaps they are an earth sign. Okay, what are the earth signs there? Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Pay attention to your friend group. If you're an earth sign, do you notice that you gravitate towards many other earth signs, or perhaps the opposite? Maybe earth signs gather towards you, okay? Then I'm seeing the King of Wands. I feel like this person's going to pursue you. They're going to be passionate for you. They're going to be doing everything that you've ever wanted. This is intense. This is exciting. This is something that you're not going to get sick of. This is something that it's like, you're my best friend, but my romantic best friend that I get to do life with. It's like, I don't need you. I want you. I'm running and you're keeping up with me. And whenever I get thirsty, you got the water there for me, ready to drink. And when you get hungry, I got the snacks ready for you. You guys are just such a good team. And you guys are gonna live this beautiful life together. I see 65, so I don't know. That's probably gonna resonate for a lot of you guys in different ways. Pay attention to 65 and how that manifests for you in the next 3 days. But if you're seeing this, something big's coming.